Good morning, all my friends. See the environment, calm and cool. Yesterday was rain day, but today it's a very calm day. Then we are came to the tea estates and starting to pick the tea. See how is this is the tea you are drinking with the taste. And do you know how it processing to until it's coming to teapot? Just I am showing how it picking. See, this is the way picking the teas. It's a hard position. Your hand is must be very graceful. Picking like a, picking with how much? 1, 2, 3. This is the original tea. Green tea. There is so many type of teas. This is the 2025. It's tasty and healthy. Next day we will meet. How will it grow? Until bye bye.